Factorize 41. Factorize. Factorize. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Time to factorize. So already, yes. So you can say x cube factor, that is the identity solution, please. Solution. So the identity, what are we using identity? So what is the identity of this one? X cube plus y cube plus z cube plus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into what is the formula? What identity? Anybody formula? Already చెప్పినాం కదా ప్రాబ్లం. This is the identity x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xyz xy minus yz minus zx is the formula. So they are asking to factorize. So the identity, what is the identity? This is the identity. Identity already given last class. Identity used here is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z and x square. These are the factors. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus. This is the what is the basic identity of the formula. Okay, na? Now you want to find what is the x value. So this I called x. So 27x cube can be written as 3x whole. So y by z only. Now here you can write it is minus 9xyz is nothing but okay. Now 3 into minus of 3 into 3x y into z, that's all. So that gives you minus celebrate. Substitute it. So here is y only, z is z only, that's all. So y cube is nothing but y to the power, that is y whole square all cube. Z cube is nothing but z whole cube. Now make it to factorize. Okay, na? Understanding? You want to make this fellow as a factor. So what to do? So therefore, complete up to here. This is formula. For these two factors are there. What are the factors? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is the form. This is one factor, this is another factor. Now, so what is the, here is the first term x cube is there. How to write? 27x cube can be written 3x whole. In place of x, what I have to write? What I have to write here? 3x we have to write. Y means y only. Z means z only. Here x cube means 3x whole square. Y square. Z square. Here is what x you can write? 3x into y Here what you can same thing y z z. Here minus z into 3x. Then expand it. That is the fact. Two factors. Okay. Copy this. Copy. E 27x cube. I can write 3 in 3x whole cube. That is called x place I have to put here in factors. So this is a given. Now I have to make it like this. Two factors. Understood now? Keep it right. Up to here, copy please all of you. Fine, copy here. This is the identity formula. They have to give the question. This is required how many factors? Two factors are making. What are the factors? X plus y plus z and x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z. These are two factors. This is one factor, another factor. But in place of x, what have to write? You have to write 3x. In place of y, you can write y only. In place of z, z only have to write. X square means 3x whole square. That means 9x square. Same thing, same thing. This is y cube, z. Z. So therefore, 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz z z. Then the factors are then the factors are what are the factors? The right factors. So that is 3x plus y plus z plus into bracket start 3x whole square. Be careful about squares plus y square plus z square minus 3x into y minus y into z minus z into 3x. Okay. Now make it to simplify. This is the one factor. Now therefore that is equal to, so that is the factors 3x plus y plus z factor is, so 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. These are the factors. So therefore the factor means also the separation. Therefore the factors are, again once again repeating, that is 3x plus y plus z one factor, and this you can write it as 9x square plus y square plus z square. Please complete yourself. 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. This is the answer. Okay. So can you do the 12th question by yourselves? 12th question. 12th question, page number 41 for CBSE and State Board, part 82. 12th question. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, you can write x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So you have to verify. What do you mean to verify? So LH is equal to RHS. But LH is already there. But better to take RHS, simplify. If you are going to get LHS, then you can't verify. So we call verification. Now go to the verification. Solution. Solution. So verify that this is the correct or not. Now you can go to expand this fellow. LHS. So not LHS. You can take RHS better. RHS. So RHS is equal to 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x minus y. They are given. Please write once again. Put a square bracket plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Please expand by yourself. You'll get knowledge. If I do, I'll get knowledge. If you do yourself, you'll get knowledge. So what do you have to do? You have to write a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula, or x minus y whole square formula. You have to. It is no need. Then expand this one. After that, still expand. Are you getting this one or not? LHS. Now do yourself. I am also do parallel. You try to do yourself. 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into this is what x square minus 2xy plus y square, because the plus is there, plus y square minus 2yz, be careful, plus z square plus z square minus 2zx plus x square. Now whichever is going to be cancelled, then you can see the cancellation by yourself. So that is equal to 1 by 2. As it is, you can keep it up. X plus y plus z. Please do it yourself. Don't copy. First do yourself. If you copy, you won't improve your knowledge. Do yourself. After doing myself, do yourself without seeing the board. If you doubt it, then you can see that that can improve your self knowledge. How to do the problem. So don't by heart. Understand slowly, slowly, slowly. Then one day we come to do any problem. So self doing. So you are going to do 10 times, no use. Understanding and doing is easy. 10 times writing, won't get anything. Now this is the, here is the x square is there, here is x square is there. I can put 2x square. Okay. Now y square plus 2y square. Next z square plus 2z square. All of understood? Now let them see here. 2 minus 2xy minus 2xy. This is nothing there. So I can take minus 2xy minus tell 2yz minus 2zx. So everywhere 2 common is there. In this everywhere 2 common is there. This is a product. I can take 2 common out. 1 by 2 can be divided this one or anything. Okay. So if you are not understanding, I'll give you short way. Just listen. Okay. So just listen. Small idea for you. Suppose x plus y into what you called z plus x, if you say, divided by 1 by 2. What do you mean? Totally divided by 2 only. So you can take this one or this one, no problem. Or entire. Kabatti now. So that means you say whole divided by. So this is nothing but instead of this means you can say whole divided by 2. So take 2 common out. Okay na? Which one? 2 common, this one. Now if you take 2 common, that is equal to 1 by 2. You rewrite x plus y plus z plus into 2, I am taking common, into bracket. What do you call say? X square plus y square plus z square minus already got. So minus xy minus yz. Very good boy. What will happen? These two will cancel. So that is equal to so x plus y z into x z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz. So already we know that means this is equal to what? This is equal to left hand side line. X square x this is left hand. So this is proved. So LH is equal to RH is proved. So this is nothing but what? X cube plus y cube plus z cube. If you multiply again, we'll get all that only. If we are going to multiply, okay, minus 3xyz. If you simplify this one, take with x, take the y, this one. Other no need of the right hand. This is equal to this. Already we know. By identity. By identity, better we can write. By identity. You please use proper sentences. Identity. So it is verified. It is verified. Verified. LHS is equal to RHS. This much story you have to write. Then this is the highest marks. In CBSE, highest marks is 5 marks. Huh? This is like a trial just to. This is nothing but then రాసుకోవచ్చు by 2 రాసుకోవచ్చు. నేను రాసుకోవచ్చు 1/2 అనేది వద్దరండి. ఇది ఉందనుకో ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు వాట్ కెన్ రైట్ దట్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్ x plus y into z plus x whole divided by 2 అని అర్థం. So what is that? If question, this is question number, page number, please habituate. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is that one. So what you can write here? Solution. The identity used here is what is this formula? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus minus xy. This is identity given. Minus xy minus yz minus zx. These are true identity. But what the condition is given? This fellow is 0. So given what is given? X plus y plus z is equal to 0. Now you could substitute here. What will happen? Therefore, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to. We cannot write a sentence. You have to write the complete 0 into. You have to write. Then only it will be correct. Don't say 0 immediately. They won't accept it. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus zx minus yz minus yz minus zx. The given. So that is equal to 0. Okay, na? Because anything, so don't write immediately here 0. Better you can say it is 0. Now, up to just little lastly were there. So therefore, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus, don't say therefore. So you can say minus 3xyz is equal to 0. So therefore, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to, you take that side, it becomes plus 3xyz. So it is verified. This verified. 10th question, and to try to do by yourself by using identity. Then the minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube. This is given. So you want to find this value. So what is the identity solution? Solution. The identity used is, what is the identity? X cube because x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, okay, z is equal to, but in 14, right, is equal to what do I write? X plus y plus z, what is that next? X square plus y square plus z square, minus xy minus yz minus zx. So they are asking you this value. Okay. Now I can find x, y, z values. Then substitute here. If you substitute here, we get the value. So what is that? This is the given. So then we will find. Okay. Now therefore, what is the x value that can be written as solution? In that, minus 12 whole cube means that is nothing but, I can say x. So if I am going to say x cube, what is the meaning of x value? So how much? X is equal to minus 12. Am I correct or not? Next, 7 whole cube, that is equal to y whole cube. What is the meaning of y? Y is equal to 7. Next, 5 whole cube, z whole cube. So what is the meaning of this? Z is equal to, okay, then substitute here, simplify, get the value. No need of anyone, left side is or right side, anything. I'll take left side, I'll find the value. I'll take left side. Instead of this, they are asking you to find the value of this one, only this one. Understood. First simplify, take that fellow to that side, right side. You cannot say x plus y plus z is equal to 0. You cannot able to say. Why? Because they are not given any condition. They are asking you to find this value without what you call cubing itself. You have to do the formula. So what I do? Please see here. Right, sir. So what I want, this I want. So therefore, x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to what we are going to get? This minus of this one. That much is there. X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy. This much is there, sir. Minus yz minus zx into this over plus 3xyz. Therefore, you can substitute it. What is that? What is the value of x? I again rewrite it. So minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube. Sorry, 5 mark question, sir. Plus 5 whole cube. That is equal to right. X plus what is x? What is x value? Minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 into minus 12 whole square, 7 square, 5 square. So minus into minus plus. So plus 12 into 7. Okay, minus 7 into 5. Okay, 7 into 5 plus 5 into 12. 5 into 12 minus sorry plus because of xyz. So here the minus is there. So it becomes minus. So minus 3 into 12 into 7 into 5. This much story is there. You simplify, multiply, subtract. This is the answer. This is a plus 12. This is gone completely. This is 0. 12 plus 12 is 0 into whatever is there. You can simplify that. 12 square is 144. Can put as it is, no problem. 144 plus 49 plus 25. Okay. Just to do as usual, please. Plus 25, I'll complete it becomes 0. No need to do also. So 12 7 ja 12 7 ja 12 7 ja 84 minus 35 minus 60. So completely 0 minus 3 7 5 ja 35 12 3 ja 36 7 5 ja 35. Wait man, 36 ja 18 3 3 ja 9 10. Please write because they will see the steps 1 2. So nothing is there. So I got 260. So therefore the answer is complete 0 and then this is completely 0. This is complete up here is 0. 0 minus this one. So therefore right, very good. Minus 12 to the 12 cube whole cube plus 7 cube whole cube plus 5 whole cube is equal to minus how much? 1260. This is the answer. Already completed. Plus అయింది అటు పక్క పోతే minus 12 into plus is equal to minus వేసినాం. కొంచెం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఐడియా ఓకేనా? ఎనీ డౌట్? This minus I have taken plus. So 3 into x into y into z. So what is the x value? Minus 12. Minus into plus minus. Okay. But if you do this much only, there will be marks. So 0 means how you got 0, then you can simplify.